Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we're doing the first walk around. This is what you see in the beginning. I like this carbon, what is it, the cow hood? That's nice. Invest into a carbon hood. We got the Mopars right here. Thanks, little 392 shake, red. You know me, I love red. That's clean. Another Scat Pack. So man, it is packed today. It's Detail Garage's 3-year anniversary, man. It is packed. All the caddies rolling in. Look at them. They are deep. All of these. Get the Ferrari shirt. Don't scratch the bottom.
A little bit.
Did they say you a spot over there?
I'm gonna go with it.
Alright.
Yeah, but
The red interior. Memories. So. Ow. This is like 400 horsepower. Sexy. Yeah, he did. Morning, man.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good.
Made it out again. Nice.
Oh, yeah. There you go. Yeah.
hey, what's up?
Hey.
Show him the donut. Get rid of it. You were doing it from like a public account at one point. I'm like, yo,
Yeah. Blue. seen this movie, what are you doing with your life? Beautiful Target. General Lee, you seen the movie, right? Ferrari. You know, the Ferrari pulled up in the Ferrari shirt, so you know he's flexing.
Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen, our raffle, our first raffle of the day.
Nah, he did. I mean,
You
don't care.
Be close enough to hear me when I call out the winning numbers. Raffle in 10
shout out to him.
minutes.
Good ass videographer. He does all the edits for Detail Garage. These are beautiful. I love this green, dark green. Bag to the ground. I might get copyrighted, but fuck it. Thing is sexy, man.
Cause I've been trying to hit it out me, babe.
This thing is clean.
I know that you want it on me. Get a little deep, but no one for free. Let me drop bands for that
This thing is on the ground.
You know the way I
Look at that.
turn that pool to the beach. And I could have got that burger, but I cops the lead. While we got the same taste for the finer things.
We have the Lambo here, man.
Now we got might be friends for a long, long time. Don't mind, you know I like you for that.
With the carbon wing. So you can see everyone's a little preoccupied, but as y'all can see right there, that is a 1,000 horsepower scat pack, twin turbo scat pack. Don't want to go fast if y'all want to follow him. Like this. I've never seen him before. And he's on the drive pack too in the back. See it? That's what I'm saying. That's what I said. I've never seen it. I like this 5.0, man. With the Boss 302 twin turbo. You see, he got the nitrous bottles in there, man.
Everything proper, no propaganda. So we kind of go.
I've seen him before. Seen him once, yeah. Oh yeah. This is what Selena needs. Pro Charger. Look at the Hoonigan Racing. It's clean too, man. Tell you, man, everyone is out here, man. I'm loving it, man. Hope y'all love this video too. Make sure y'all give a like, comment, and subscribe. As you see, all the asses are out. They love this wrap on this truck, man. Let me go ahead and go to the sun. I feel like, man, camera doesn't do its justice, man. If you see this in person, this is way better. I like this. A lot of cool paint jobs. I tell you, everyone's out today. Today's gonna be packed today. A paint job on this. It's sexy. Little carbon fender on the 5.0. Look at that. It's really cool, man. A lot of cool stuff here today, man.
Channel or anything, or what you got?
Excuse me? Say it again?
What do you got? Just personal?
Oh yeah, YouTube, yeah.
YouTube channel? What is it?
Cinco's with some wheels.
The winning ticket number is this.
A little GT350. Ooh, is it tuned by Lethal Performance? Lethal Performance pulls out some good cars, man. Yeah. Bikes coming in. you don't.
Don't hype me up.
We will do our own personal video on Instagram. I will make one, but I know the last video, it did not get no love. Here's the interior. Got carbon accents on it too as well. I will do it. Oh yeah, and it came with a sunroof. You already know that's what we do. But I will do his own video post on Instagram. Might post a little reveal on YouTube. Who knows? Look at the diffuser. Got a doggy in there. Doggy! With the carbon fender hood. He was in Mike Don's music video Home. So was his wife, Sky. Beautiful Scat Packs, man. And oh, look, the other doggy's in here. Oh, he's asleep. Sleep. And Carbon right here. He was in the music video as well for Home. On the Jag Pack, man. It's a nice little yellow. Ooh, look at the color. I like the color.
I love that color.
The red interior?
Oh, that's white.
It kind of looks like it. I don't know what kind of color it is. Like a pearl? It's got red interior. It's Fastlane Auto Sales, Texas. And he's on the big tire too. That's nice, man. With the carbon wing on there. Dude, I've seen this dude before. I don't know where. A little wide body smoke show. I like the brakes. Orange. I like that. It is. I'm telling you, this thing, it really pops out too, especially with the white too. Oh, isn't it like a certain kind?
No, this is the one that I told you.
The stripe.
It's 2022. It was like their new edition.
Yeah, the orange, right? It comes with the stripe,
that was
right?
the only way you could get those rims.
Yeah. That's a nice Porsche. I will tell you that. Seen this dude a lot of times. No, I stepped on his. Yeah. Shelby, Supercharged. Seen this dude. Where did I see him before? Oh, we saw this dude at who's the dude that washed your car? Remember he detailed it. Is it PJ's? PJ's? Yeah, that's where I seen him before. Yeah. I took a picture of this. It's nice. That's this. Clean. Ooh, look at that Datsun. Look at all the Datsuns lined up. I really like this one. I like this Datsun right here.